Next 14. Domain of f of x is equal to square root of x square minus 3x plus 2. Here also the function is defined only when x square minus 3x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So same condition, square root of a function is defined only when it is positive, greater than or equal to 0. You can write it as x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So this is x into x minus 2 minus of x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. I am factorizing the equation. So you will have x minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. If you take x minus 2 as common, you will get x minus 1. Now you have a condition like this. It is in this form. X minus a into x minus b greater than or equal to 0. So domain is x belongs to minus infinity to closed 1. The smaller number is 1. Union closed 2 comma infinity. Otherwise here also you can draw the real line. Put the numbers 1, 2 on the real line. After the largest integer, you put plus, minus, plus. Now you need to find those greater than or equal to 0. So you have to take this one. This is your requirement. So those numbers which are less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to 2. Okay. Next one, 15. Domain of f of x is equal to log of x square minus 4x plus 3. Another important one, logarithmic function is defined. Log h of x is defined only when h of x is greater than 0. Remember this one. Logarithm function is defined only when h of x greater than 0. Okay. So log x square minus 4x plus 3 is defined only when x square minus 4x plus 3 greater than 0. Because log 0 not defined and logarithm of negative number is also not defined. So you need to have only positive numbers. Now factorize this one. X square minus 3x minus x plus 3 greater than 0. X into x minus 3 minus of x minus 3 greater than 0. You can take x minus 3 as common. You get x minus 1 into x minus 3 greater than 0. Okay. Now the domain x belongs to. This is the case. But here you have only inequality. There is no equality symbol. In that case, and that means it is in this form. X minus a into x minus b greater than 0. There is no equality here. In this case, x belongs to minus infinity to open interval a. Open means here a is not included, a is excluded. Union open b comma infinity. So the domain is going to be x belongs to minus infinity to open 1 union open 3 comma infinity. This is the domain.